RPI Athawale National Secretary Maheshwar has called upon Union Tribal Affairs Minister Joal Oram and demanded removal of Chin Kuki community from scheduled tribe lists, citing that Chin Kuki are not indigenous community of Manipur. Maheshwar along with Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas B. Athawale made the Union Minister Joal Oram at his residence in 8 Talgoda Road, New Delhi yesterday. In the meeting, Maheshwar also reportedly submitted a memorandum that outlines the brief history about how Kuki communities were settled in Manipur by British and how they grew as a community in Manipur. It may be mentioned that Maheshwar has also apprised the previous Union Minister for Tribal Affairs about the removal of Chin Kuki community from scheduled tribe list and also demanded for inclusion of Meitei community in the ST list.